We have some breaking news now, Scotty. We do have flooding on I-95. FDOT is reporting this right now, so I want to give you a live look at our traffic camera where the flooding is. Overhead signs are warning drivers of it. But take a look on the express lanes. Drivers there just crawling through some of that flooding. It's hugging the median. So on the express side, that's where you could see where the flooding is happening on those southbound lanes. Lucio, if we can zoom in just kind of on that area where you could see all of the flooding out there right now. And this is where it is. So just in that area, you can see as this car is passing and kicking up that water out there right now. So FDOT's reporting this just south of 79th Street, a very busy stretch of 95. It looks like they're getting a little bit of a break from the rain right now, but this is where that water is standing. Parts of 95 here, they kind of go up and down, and it looks like that's where the water really starts to cluster together. And now we have some flooding that's impacting those southbound lanes. So it looks like it's just stretching over to that far left lane, certainly just flooding the shoulder. But if we get any more rain in this area, we could see some of those floodwaters get a little bit closer to the main line. So this is not good for the drive right now, as we're really in the height of the morning rush and traffic is really starting to pick up through this area. So definitely take it slow out there. Again, this is I-95 southbound, just south of 79th Street, where we do have flooding on the interstate. You might want to stay on the local roads this morning, including 7th Avenue as your alternate. We'll check back in here and give you a look at the commute across the rest of a really rainy Miami-Dade County.